Aaron was a totally unknown figure until one day, I guess it was 1981, I get a phone call which invites me to a meeting with a young man called Aaron Lansky, who is suggesting that we get involved in collecting Yiddish books because they are physically disappearing. My interest in Yiddish had sort of faded as I became a Hebrew speaker and lived in Israel. However, my Israel experience was such, working with the Sherita Pleita, the damaged residue of European Jewry, that the idea of saving any remnant of our culture had become important. So I decided to go, and there was this youngster, and together sitting with 5 grizzled professors, discussing the question of setting up some kind of collection element for Yiddish books. And that was Aaron Lansky.
He had a missionary zeal about him with a tremendous amount of enthusiasm. And his pitch was that these books were disappearing. And if they disappeared, Yiddish would disappear. And if Yiddish disappeared, there would be no connection through the authenticity of the language to European Jewish history. The incentive was that this would then be a triumph of the Holocaust. And that's something I just couldn't abide. So that was the hook that got me involved. And but it was not the language itself, but the language as a vehicle to unleash and understand Eastern European Jewish history, not from a Judaic point of view, but from a historical, anthropological, sociological point of view, and from the literature.